Hello class, welcome to zero point 0.2 Science Classroom Expectations. Just a reminder, expectations for all videos. Number 1, this video and Canvas are the only windows open in your Chromebook. Number 2, you should only have a computer open when watching an instructional video. And in every instructional video, there is a time limit of 20 minutes, and that is the only time you have when your computer is open in your desk. Number 3, Cornell Notes templates will be used in taking down notes. So when you see blue, write it down in your notes. So just a reminder, when something is written in blue, make sure you write this in your notes. Essential question in our 0.2 lesson. What is expected of me in this class? So write it down right here. So this is our second lesson of our intro unit. Congratulations in finishing the first lesson, 0.1 lesson structure. All right, the main point, it is written in blue, the phone policy. You can keep your phone only if you are on pace, meaning you are on the day's target lesson. Check your colored progress tracker or objective sheet on the board to see if you are on pace. Not on pace means you check your phone with me, Miss Finchley. Now, if you can prove that your phone is not a distraction and you're meeting all expectations for the class by being on pace, I have no problem with you having your phone. Just do not check it in during me giving instruction or during academic conversation, which we are going to do next lesson. Being on pace means that you are on the target's lesson. The target lesson is on the board and your unit objective tracker also. So let's say our target lesson is 0.2. So these kids who are in check mark are behind the pace, so they have to check their phone with me. Now these other kids also in the green are on pace or already have mastered the lesson. And we also have some students who need revising. We also have students who are also ahead of pace, and we will shout out and hooray for them. Now, if you're not in pace, you are expected to check your phone with me within the first 5 minutes of the class. When you get on pace, you can have your phone. You get 10 points every day for following the phone policy. 10 extra credit if you're on pace and you decided to check your phone with me. So if you are behind and do not follow the phone policy, you get 0 out of 10 phone points for the day. You get 0 out of 10 participation points. And you can never make these points up. You risk also administrative referral if you continue to persist in doing phone policy, not following the phone policy. All right, main point number 2. Chromebooks are for watching instructional videos and typing your assignment or mastery chat. There is a limit of 20 minutes to have your computer open, and you can lose privilege of using your computer. So unless announced, a video should take you no more than 20 minutes to take notes from. So if you consistently go over 20 minutes, you will not be allowed to use technology in this class, and maybe permanently. Right, main point number 3. This is in blue, write it down in your notes. The entry ticket or the do nows. When you come in, grab an entry ticket or do now and your binder. Use your colored tracker or objective sheet in your binder to complete your ticket for the lesson you are on. And you can find the objectives and the warm-up questions also in this sheet. If it's your first day, you are on the lesson, complete the first side, right? And then you write in 0.2, the lesson that you are working on today. You will need to put the objectives in your own words and answer the warm-up questions. If it's your second day, you are on the lesson and you're trying to finish the lesson today, complete the second side of the entry ticket. And you will be asked also to identify strategies to help you catch up. Main point number 4, lesson deadlines or close unit. Lesson closed. So this doesn't mean that self-paced that you can take forever. So make sure that you check your unit objective, progress tracker, and the board for reminders on when the lessons closed. They will be closed and you cannot access them anymore. So even though we may be in a different lesson, we will always be in the same unit. So lesson closed, and when they are closed forever. The zeros are permanent. So always remember to check your progress tracker and see the deadline of that unit. This is why it's so important to be on pace. And we have power hours where you can work with me on Tuesday, and you can also do this at home. Main point number 5, hand signal. To get you what you need in a very, very quick manner, we'll just use hand signal aside if you are asking questions. So one of the hand signal is the restroom, and the other one is when you need a writing utensils. So the first one is if you are doing something quick and you'd like to go to the bathroom pass and needed a pen or take care of it quickly, the hand signal will help you get there quickly. With the restroom, we follow the LDBL bathroom policy. One person in the bathroom at a time, and you need to write your name on the login sheet. You must take the pass, no passes for 15 minutes or the last 15 minutes of the class. The second one is when you need the writing utensils, you will do that signal, hand signal. But you have to put collateral, like lip gloss, belt, or whatever, in a clear bin in the front table, and you can take the pen out. When you are done, we can trade in the end of the class. After notes, we do the lesson classwork assignment, and then when you are finished with your assignment, you turn it into your class bin. Get your mastery check with Miss Finchley, and if you have your phone because you are on pace, you will have to give it to her to take the mastery quiz. Complete it at the table next to my desk, and then give the paper to me. You're done with the notes. Now go on to lesson 0.2 classwork or assignment. You can get this paper on the classwork tray where you got your Cornell Notes template. All right, you got this. Thank you.